In this video, I'm going to show you how to close Eightcap account. Now, there's actually two separate things you can close on Eightcap. One is a trading account, so either a live or demo one, or your account altogether, okay? So I'm going to show you how to actually do both. If you just want to close your Eightcap trading account in here, either live or demo, just click on this manage button next to it, and then click on the remove button, and then click on confirm over here, and this will remove and disable your trading account, therefore kind of closing it, okay? So when you do that, of course, your account is going to be closed. However, if you want to close your account, so your sign in, your user, and the actual whole account itself, then you can do that as well. But for this, you will have to contact their support. So to do this, basically in here, you could also go to the contact us section down below. So click on the contact us. It's going to pop up here in a new tab. And then in here, you can either email them to this email, let them know you'd like to close your account and your account info, and then they're going to help you out. Or, of course, you could call them by phone as well, and they will assist you, of course, as well. Now, you could also, in here inside your portal, click on this button down here, bottom right, to open up kind of a ticket, and it's going to basically allow you to contact their support. Just type in your first name, last name, your email, and then the subject should be like account closure, closing my account, something like that, and then here the country, and then you can start your conversation and get help with closing your account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.